Here's the thing about making a success out of any project that you're doing, whether it is a project within your work, whether that project is your work, your career, starting a business, whether you just want to get on camera and make more content or do bigger things in production. The thing about it is, obviously, it's really hard. It's not about consistently believing that you are the answer to everything or that you are going to always know the answer or that it's always going to be clear what's next. It's not about waking up every day and feeling like, I got this, I can do it. That's not going to happen. There are going to be days when you wake up and you go, I don't got this. There is something that will get you through. One time I was having a meeting with a client. We were planning her photo shoot and she was launching an accessories brand. It was exciting. It was cute. I couldn't wait to shoot it. And we had been connected for a while and we'd been friendly for a while. And so when we finally decided to work together, it was really exciting to sit down and plan. And in that meeting, she said, I just love how much you believe in what you're doing. And my mission at the time was to support women in business and get them in front of the camera so that they could be seen and make a difference with their own work in the world. And that's still my mission. I do work with brands of all sizes and I do work with men and women, but that is a deep belief that I've always had. Women can change the world. And she said, I just love how much you believe in that. And I thought, yeah, even when I don't believe in myself. And that was really the key to all of it. That's how I've been in business for 10 years. And that's how I plan to stay in business for another 10 years, knock wood. But it's not about getting up and believing in yourself every single day. Those days won't happen every single day. There will be days when you wake up and you go, I just don't believe in myself today. I feel like a failure. I feel like nothing's working. On those days, you need to have a why that is much bigger than yourself because whatever your why is, whatever your reason is for doing what you're doing, it needs to be bigger than you so that you can wake up every day and say to yourself, I have something bigger than me that I wake up for. Even when I don't feel like doing it, I know that there's a bigger purpose here. If I don't feel like I can show up for myself, I'm going to show up for that bigger purpose because there are people waiting on it. That is how you get through those days. I hope that helps you get in front of the camera, be seen, share your voice, share your wisdom, share your business, whatever it is you are working on, especially in this coming year. If you could help a girl out and do some clicks on the buttons below, on the subscribe, on the like, on the share, on the anything that's going to help me out, I would really appreciate it because I'm still kind of new here trying to figure things out. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, this is what we do all day, every day is we figure out how to get you seen and get you heard and get eyes on what you're doing. So if you want more of that, follow along. I would love to have you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, if there's a specific question or a specific video that you want to see, tell me. I'll make it for you. Thank you.